Max Bond Glue, the ultimate silicone-based solution. Max Bond Glue is a top-tier silicone-based adhesive designed for strong hold, secure hold. With its advanced formula, it ensures a smooth and comfortable experience, making it the best choice for securing hair systems, wigs, and more. Silicone-based formula. Our glue uses a cutting-edge silicone-based formula, known for its superior adhesion power. Silicone ensures the glue forms a strong bond, offering unmatched durability and stability even under challenging conditions. Strong hold. Max Bond Glue provides a 30+ day hold, giving you peace of mind without the need for frequent touch-ups. Safety and testing. Safety is our top priority. Max Bond Glue is FDA approved and has undergone extensive testing on numerous users. This rigorous testing process guarantees that our glue is not only effective but also safe for use. No side effects. Unlike many adhesives, Max Bond Glue has been formulated to be gentle and reliable. No itching, no redness, only a secure and comfortable experience for all users. Skin-safe ingredients. Our glue is made with high-quality, skin-safe ingredients that are gentle on the scalp. Free from harsh chemicals, it's suitable for all skin types, ensuring maximum comfort. Why we are the best. Max Bond Glue stands out from others because of its exceptional hold, safety, and skin-friendly ingredients. We are committed to providing the best possible solution for all users, with proven satisfaction and results that speak for themselves. With FDA approval and rigorous testing, we offer a product that you can trust.